III, the aircraft that ensures rapid global mobility for America. The aircraft will take off performing a maximum climb angle, demonstrating its impressive power and the ability to depart an airport where enemy resistance is suspected. With a departure climb angle of just over 25 degrees nose up, the aircraft will reach over 1,500 feet before crossing the departure end of the runway on the takeoff roll, the C17 Globemaster III. Pilots for today's demonstration are Major Nathaniel Batts, Captain Alex Darger, and Captain Sierra Kelly, along with Loadmaster Staff Sergeant Charles Palmer. This crew has a combined total of over 13,000 flying hours in various aircraft, including the C-17 Globemaster, C-130 Hercules, T-6 Texan, and the T-1 Jayhawk.